channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix phone not connecting to PC but charging only. So right now I'm trying to connect my phone to PC by using USB, but my phone is being charged only, they are not being connected. So in order to fix that problem, what you have to do is launch open settings on your phone. You can see over here settings has been opened. Make sure to enable the developer mode. Find the option for about phone and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the about phone interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for version and tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find the build number, baseband number, kernel version. So simply tap on the build number multiple times. After you do that, developer options will be enabled. Right now I've already enabled it, so I'm just going to go back. Now what you have to do is go to the settings interface. Over here you'll be able to see the search bar. Tap on it. Now simply search for USB. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find several options. Find the option for default USB configuration and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for default USB configuration. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the options for file transfer, USB tethering, MIDI, PTP, no data transfer. Right now, no data transfer is being selected. That's why your phone is being charged only. So if you want to really connect it to PC, simply tap on the option file transfer if you want to transfer the files. Likewise, if you want to connect the PC and phone for other purpose, you can tap on other purpose as well. Now after you do that, in your PC, you'll be able to access the internet storage of your phone, and like this your phone and PC will be connected. So that is how you fix phone not connecting to PC but charging only. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.